A very good exercise. We have here a sum of two square roots, that is square root 27 plus square root 12. Well, 27 is equals to 9 multiply 3 and 12 is equals to 3 multiply 4. So this equation can be written as square root of 9 multiply 3 plus square root of 3 multiply 4. As we know, a very important property of square root, that is square root of a multiply b, so also equals to square root of a multiply square root of b. So this equation simplifies to square root of 9 multiply square root of 3 plus square root of 3 multiply square root of 4. As we can see, square root of 3 is common. Take square root of 3 as common. This becomes square root of 9 plus square root of 4, which is further equals to square root of 3 multiply bracket square root of 9 is equals to plus minus 3 plus square root of 4 is equals to plus minus 2. From here we can get two answers. First is, if we assume both of the square roots are positive integers, then this equation comes as square root of 3 multiply 3 plus 2, which is equals to square root of 3 multiply 5. It can be further simplified to, as we know another property of square root, that is a square root of b is equals to square root of b multiply a square. It is equals to square root of 3 multiply 5 square is 25, which is equals to 75. And second option is, when both of the square roots are negative integers, then this equation becomes square root of 3 multiply minus 3 plus minus minus 2 bracket close equals to square root of 3 multiply minus 5 equals to minus 5 root of 3 is also equals to, applying this formula, this becomes square root of 3 multiply 5 square is also 25. So this is also equals to square root of 75. So we get square root of 75 as the answer of this equation, and minus 5 multiply square root 3 or 5 multiply square root of 3 are also our answers.